Okay, I'm just going to demonstrate enhancement 8. So if we click on any of these, it brings up the classification vehicles. And then if we are to click on one of these, it brings up the details of the vehicle. And we'll just do the valid HTML right now. And that's looking good. And then we'll go back to the classification page and do the HTML there. And that's looking good. And then we'll do this CSS. And that's looking good. And then I'll just show real quick that we are using the US dollars currency here and here. And I believe this is a professional appearance. And then I'll show that it is responsive. So it shrinks down and expands accordingly. So yeah, that is my enhancement 8. And thanks for watching.